Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get Binance on iPhone full guide. First, check your current App Store region in Settings and note your Apple ID email. Next, prepare a payment method or use a gift card for the target region. Finally, sign out, change your App Store country, and download the Binance app, then sign back into your original region if needed. In this video, I will show how to get Binance on iPhone full guide. Begin by checking for active subscriptions tied to your Apple ID and cancel any that block a region change. Verify that you have a valid payment option for the new country or buy a compatible gift card. Make a device backup to avoid data loss and ensure two-factor authentication is accessible before proceeding. In this video, I will show how to get Binance on iPhone full guide. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying crypto and personal finance tips, consider a book that can change how you think about money, like The Simple Path to Wealth. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get Binance on iPhone full guide. Sign out of your Apple ID and change the App Store country to a region that offers Binance, then sign back in using the same Apple ID. Locate the official Binance app, check developer details, and download it. Open the app, complete account verification, enable two-factor authentication, and review security settings before making any trades or deposits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.